Today we're making molten chocolate lava cakes in the Instant Pot. It's a decadent dessert that you're gonna love. Here are your ingredients. You'll need 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chopped into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee granules. You don't have to use the coffee, you can omit it. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 stick of butter cut into pieces. That's 4 ounces of butter or 113 grams. 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. And finally, you'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First thing we're gonna do is melt the butter and chocolate in the microwave. You want your microwave setting to be medium heat, so you're gonna change it from high heat power level to medium. Microwave the chocolate for 1 minute and stir and scrape the sides of the bowl, and then microwave for 15-second increments until the chocolate is just about melted. There'll still be a few pieces of chocolate left, and then stir the remaining chocolate pieces until they're melted. You don't want to over melt or your chocolate lava cake will become tough. Add in the powdered sugar, the eggs, and the egg yolks. Add in the coffee and vanilla, and whisk all the ingredients together until the eggs are combined. You want to keep whisking until the batter is very smooth, but be sure not to overmix. Now add in the flour and the salt, and use a whisk to mix all the ingredients together and make sure you have a nice smooth batter. Once again, you don't want to overmix. I like to use 4 6-ounce ramekins. Coat the bottom and the sides of each of the ramekins with some butter and dust each ramekin with sugar. Divide the batter amongst all 4 ramekins. Now we're ready to pressure cook the lava cakes. Pour 2 cups of water into the Instant Pot and place the trivet in the water. Place 3 ramekins on the trivet and place 1 more on top of them in the middle, so they're going to be staggered. Close the lid and pressure cook on high pressure for 9 minutes. And then once the pressure cooking is done, you're going to release the pressure using the quick release method. Once the float valve has come down, it's safe to open the lid. Be careful of the steam. Use gloves to remove the trivet carefully from the Instant Pot. Let them cool down for just a bit. And if you see any condensation on the cakes, you can dab it gently with a paper towel. I like to decorate them with a sprinkle of powdered sugar because they just look nice that way. The lava cakes taste best when they're served warm, so they're ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.